doesn't love puffy tacos or tacos of any kind? But today, I'm going to try my hand for the very first time at puffy tacos. You will need the special corn flour for this recipe. Mixing with your hands, or one hand. Leave the other one free. There's just something about making your own homemade taco shell. And this was going to be a delightful experience for me because I've never even tasted a puffy taco before. But once I noticed that was a thing, I said to myself, I just have to give this a try and hope for the best. Well, actually, the dough came together very nicely indeed, and it didn't stick once I had finished with all of the kneading and making it into a ball. It didn't stick to my hands at all. At this particular time, I knew this was going to turn out just wonderfully. But I needed to wait an hour after I made the dough, so I covered it with a damp paper towel, set my timer so I wouldn't forget, and wait the hour. But wait, while I'm waiting the hour, there's other things to do. I wanted a lot of fruit in my taco this time, so I began cutting up bits of fruit. Oh, the glorious mango fruit. It was just ripened perfectly for this dish. I couldn't wait to get into the golden kiwi and the green of the avocado. That reminds me so much of spring and gardens. The golden kiwi was a joy. It wasn't the fuzzy skin of the other kiwis. It was soft skin on the fruit. Cutting the tomato into cubes was such a delight as well. There's something happy and joyous about the color red. Take your lime and roll it around a few times on your countertop or stovetop to release the juices from inside. Makes it easier to squeeze over the top of the fruit that I've just diced. Now it's time to get into the green avocado. Cutting it in half. Little trick, give it a little twist. Pop your knife inside there and twist out the seed. Next you will need to cut horizontally, vertically, to make little squares inside of the avocado shell. And then turn it inside out, and the squares, cubed avocado should pop out. Or slide your fingers underneath the edges of the avocado and then turn it inside out. They should pop out easily. Sprinkle some more lime over the top, making sure you get the avocado coated nicely. Then shred some cabbage to go in place of lettuce for your tacos. What I did with the cabbage is I also sprinkled lime juice over the top once it was shredded. I'm going to add some pickled jalapenos and some of the juice to the leftover pot roast that I had, which I mixed with the shredded cabbage, lime juice over the top. Here is the dough. It's ready to go, and make it into small balls about the size of a golf ball, and then put it in your press or put it between 2 sheets of paper and use a rolling pin if you don't have a tortilla press. Press it once, turn it 1/2 turn, and press it again. Perfection in the making. Keep them covered after you've made them. Your oil must be set at 325 Fahrenheit. I have an electric fry pan that has a very high side. You must be careful when frying in oil. I was so pleased how they puffed up, and then using the spatula with the tongs, I was able to look at that puff. Oh, glorious puff. Puffy, puffy tacos. I was just smiling from ear to ear. But use the tongs and your spatula. Press down in the middle, fold it in half gently. A few more seconds in the hot oil on each side, and you have a nicely puffed, folded taco. Add whatever toppings or fillings that you desire. Sprinkle with the lime and the green salsa. Bon appetit!